The grey air filter should be cleaned once a month. To do this, remove the filter and either shake away any dust or rinse it under clean running water. Allow the filter to dry before replacing it. The grey filter should be replaced with a new one every 6 months. The white pollen filter should be replaced once a month. Do not wash or rinse this filter. The prisma vent can operate whilst connected to the mains power supply or using the internal battery. Securely connect the device to the mains power supply to charge the internal battery. The prisma vent can operate using the internal battery for up to 10 hours when fully charged. An alert will pop up when switching to battery mode. Press the alarm button to close. Connect the circuit tubing to the outlet port on the front of the device. Before starting therapy, ensure the mask is fitted comfortably and securely. Attach the opposite end of the circuit tube to the port on the mask. To turn on the device, simply press the power button. The device will load into the standby screen. Here you can see the ventilation mode in the top left-hand corner and whether the device is locked or unlocked via the padlock icon. To start therapy, press the power button again. The device will begin operating automatically. To stop therapy, press and hold the power button until all the boxes on the screen illuminate. If the circuit disconnects during therapy, an alarm will sound. Reconnect the circuit or press the flashing alarm button to silence. To view all enabled programs and their settings, press the Report button, then using the dial scroll to Parameter Summary, then press the dial to select it. Here you can see the programs set on the device along with their settings. Press the back button to exit, followed by the Home button to return to the standby screen. If a modem is attached to the ventilator, data can be transferred directly from the device. Press the System button, then use the dial to scroll down to Modem and press the dial to select it. Then select Transfer All Data and wait for the transfer to complete. Remove the humidifier lid by lifting one of the edges. Fill the humidifier chamber with water up to the indicated marker, then securely reattach the lid by lining up the locking mechanism. Please note, the humidifier will only function whilst the device is connected to the mains power supply and not in battery mode. On the device, press and hold the release button whilst pulling the side cover away. Attach the humidifier in its place, making sure to line up the ports. To clean the humidifier, first unscrew the metal heating rod and remove. Clean each component according to the device instructions before reassembling.